guys, meron akong sunlight, like looks like a sun. See? Ngayon, nabili ko to sa Temu, guys. There's a remote control. Yeah, maliit lang to siya, guys. Look at that. See, ito lang siya, guys. Oh, maliit. See, maliit lang siya. So ngayon, maganda to siya, guys. Mag picture ka. Ayan, i-change mo lang yung kulay, red, orange, red, that one. Then pagka pink and orange, yellow. See? Yellow. Now, I change that to green, blue, dark green, yan. Blue, yan. Ano to? Yes, maroon. May pagka-brown. Yan, pagka-pink. Ito. Yan. Pindot ko lang to. Nag-change na siya. Ito. Yan. Iba. Mag-change siya pero slowly ang ano niya, change niya. Slowly, hindi mabilis. See? Slowly. Pindot ko to. Yan. Slowly ito, mabilis. Yan. Mabilis ang change niya. See? Ganda, guys, no? Nabili ko to mo $5 na siguro. Yes. So that's all for now, guys. Enjoy ba kayo, guys? Ito lang siya, guys, oh. See? Yan siya, guys, oh. More siya moonlight. See? Moonlight, guys, oh. Yan. Nice guy, guys. Nice. Nice. Very nice. Okay, see you next video, guys. Bye-bye.